set up and ready to go. Time to rob some supers. See how much honey we get this year. I'm down here at my first hive. I'm gonna have to change this bottom super out this year. It's rotten on me, but all three of these supers were full of honey. So let's see what we can do. First supers are loaded up, ready to be processed. Three full supers off this hive. Got the honey harvest going on. Uncapping them. Trying something new this year. My little 2-frame spinner is doing okay.